Class 15, Week 4 for 5th B. Good morning, kids. Today we will read some pages from the reading Firefighters that you have in your USB. So, I will start reading and spelling the glossary words that you can find at the end of the reading or in your dictionary in some cases. Let's go. The first word. Chemicals. CHEMICALS. Equipment. EQUIPMENT. Firefighters. FIREFIGHTERS. Fuel. FUEL. Machine. MACHINE. Oxygen. OXYGEN. Pump. PUMP. Smother. SMOTHER. Spray. SPRAY. Coal. COAL. Hose. HOSE. Axe. AX. Foam. FOAM. Story. STORY. Outbreak. OUTBREAK. Now we are going to listen to the reading. Can you hear the loud siren? It is the sound of firefighters rushing to fight a fire in their bright red fire truck. Firefighters put out fires and save people whose lives are in danger. They also help prevent fires from starting. They inspect buildings and they teach people about fire safety. What makes fire burn? Fires need both fuel and oxygen to burn. Some types of fuel are wood, oil, and coal. Oxygen is a gas in the air. The more fuel or oxygen there is, the hotter the fire will burn. Fires can be stopped in 3 ways. One way is to remove the fuel. A second way is to smother the fire by removing its oxygen. A third way is to remove the fire's heat with water. Do you know, in our solar system, Earth is the only planet where fire can burn. Earth is the only planet with enough oxygen. Even a candle can't burn without it. Types of fires. Firefighters put out house fires, factory fires, and even forest fires. They must be ready to fight many different kinds of fires and face other dangers too. Firefighter equipment. Firefighters use many different tools to fight fires. Large hoses spray water or special foam on fires. Tall ladders reach high places. Axes chop holes in doors, roofs, and walls to reach places safely. Smoke masks and air tanks protect firefighters from smoke. Large fans remove smoke from rooms. Firefighters also use firefighters to put out small fires. Now, These are the first part of our book that we are going to read today. After you have listened and read your own pages, you are going to answer the questionnaire number 1 in your classwork or in the notebook that you have. Let's go to check the questions here. Questionnaire 1, pages 1 to 8. Question number 1. What do the firefighters do? 2. What other activities do they do? 3. Which elements are required to produce fire? 4. Which fuels could be? 5. Explain the function of the oxygen in a fire. 6. Explain the 3 ways to stop a fire. 7. Which type of fires do firefighters put out? 8. Mention the firefighting equipment the firefighters use. 9. What do large hoses spray? 10. What do axes chop? 11. What is the utility of the smoke masks and air tanks? And the last question, what do firefighters use in case of small fires? Now, after you have already answered your questions, which also will be checked in our video class, you are going to work answering your questionnaire. And also, if you want to make an illustration in your notebooks or in your blog, you can do it referring to the pages that we have read today. So I hope that you have found this very interesting, and we will discuss it in our next class. See you. Bye.